Ever wondered how to create stunning videos in just minutes? Let me show you how with Canva. So hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of video creation with Canva. If you have ever wanted to make professional looking videos quickly and easily, you are in the right place. I will guide you step by step through the process so you can start creating a catching content that grabs attention. Let's get started. So first of all I have to do is open a web browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So, what is Canva? Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows anyone to create stunning visuals, including social media graphics, presentations, posters, and videos. With its drag and drop interface, extensive library of templates, images, and fonts, Canva simplifies the design process, making it accessible to beginners and professionals alike. It offers a variety of tools for customization, enabling users to create personalized content for various purposes, from marketing to personal projects. So to get started, all I have to do is just sign up and you write your email address and your password. So this is my account. As you can see, I will go to home right now to show you how you can create and make short videos. First of all, you have just to click over here and you search about short videos YouTube. So then you have here all filters. I will click over it and I will select the type that I want. For example, if I want business, like docs, presentations, whiteboard, business cards, flyers, photo types, mind tape, maps, websites, graphs, planners, laser heads. Then we have other things. Then you select also if you want a social media. As you can see, we have Instagram here, Facebook. We have also education here, like grade, subject, resource type. Then we have video, like video colleagues, mobile videos, YouTube videos also. Then we have marketing here, like print products, cards and invitations, and other things. Then we have your style, themes, then we have language, feature, grade, subject, then we have topic, price also. So I'll select this one, it's for free. Then I will click over apply once you do that. So this is the examples that we have here. I will select for example this one. Then I will click over customize this template. As you can see, we'll find our page which is this one. So let's wait for it. So as you can see, here we have various things that we have changed. For example, this is it, how it looks firstly. I will change it. So first of all, we have your comment, if you want to add a comment, if you want to delete page, also if you want to edit, if you want to trim also, then we have picture remover, audio playback, and we have background color, animate, position also. So for example, this one, I will just delete this one. Go with someone you have never been before. I will delete this one and I will write mine. So I will come back firstly and I will delete only this one. And I will write here, for example, I will add a heading here. I will put it in the first here. So I will just firstly add a heading here. I will put it in the first. They will write, for example, I will write, for example, be the one that you will never, that you have never been, like that. So this is about the size. Like that. I will put the color of this one put it, for example, with the one that you will, as you can see. Then if you want to add also other things like add a subheading also, and I'll add a little bit of body text. For example, I'll put this one here, and I will add a text here. Here I will write my channel, for example. You write, for example, the channel here. I will click over done. Then also if you want to add your brand fonts, then we have brand here. If you want to add logos, colors, brand voice, photos, graphics, icons, so this is how it looks for short video that I chose. Then we have upload files. If you want images, videos, or audio, you can also record yourself. We have a draw. If you want to draw something here like that, you can also delete it. So here we have it. Then you can also add another page, select the background, you can also zoom here, and we have here also scroll view, grid view, preview, and also other things like here we have file size editing, and if you want to add something we have insights here. Also if you want to share, so you can just get started right now. Also you can edit these things like position, playback, sorry, and that's it how it looks with Canva. So thanks for watching, guys. Now you know how to create stunning videos using Canva even if you are complete beginner. Remember, the key is to experiment and have fun with your designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations in the comments. Happy designing!